Crypto adoption keeps growing. Good day, lovely people. I greet you with affection. I wish you a fantastic day. Let's begin with today's blog. We will delve into an intriguing development within the world of cryptocurrencies. Amid the throes of a domestic banking crisis and the looming threat of a U.S. debt default, crypto adoption continues to grow. In fact, more and more investors are exploring crypto as a potential safe haven asset to weather the economic storm. This perspective would have seemed unimaginable a mere 6 months ago when the conventional wisdom predicted that the crypto winter would persist well into 2023. But as we navigate these tumultuous financial waters, one question remains: are any cryptos truly safe to buy right now? And if so, which ones should investors consider adding to their portfolios this month? Bitcoin. Digital gold in a sea of uncertainty. First on the list is Bitcoin, crypto, BTC, which is regaining its reputation as digital gold in the minds of many investors amidst the current market instability. The correlation between Bitcoin and gold has been increasing in recent months, and a growing consensus suggests that Bitcoin may be the safest crypto to invest in at present. However, it's essential to underscore that safest is a relative term, given Bitcoin's inherent risk and volatility. For instance, last year, Bitcoin's value plummeted by nearly 65%. Despite this, one aspect working in Bitcoin's favor is its lengthy track record, which has earned it the trust of both retail and institutional investors. Created in 2009, Bitcoin has weathered several market crashes over the past decade, each time emerging stronger. Bitcoin continues to present enormous upside potential, gauged by its global adoption pace as both a medium of exchange and a store of value. Cathie Wood, of ARK Invest, has modeled the long-term growth potential of this crypto and proposed that Bitcoin could rocket past the $1.48 million price mark by 2030. More conservative estimates suggest Bitcoin hitting the $100,000 milestone by the end of 2024. Hence, from my perspective, Bitcoin offers the optimal balance of risk and reward among top cryptocurrencies. Navigating the crypto landscape. The rise in crypto adoption amidst economic turbulence is a testament to the growing trust in and recognition of digital currencies' potential. However, this doesn't negate the need for careful due diligence. Cryptocurrencies, by nature, are volatile and speculative. Therefore, it's crucial for investors to thoroughly understand their risk tolerance and investment goals before plunging into this digital realm. As we traverse this path, we must stay informed about regulatory changes, technological advancements, and market trends. With knowledge as our guide, we can navigate the crypto landscape with greater confidence and discernment, even amidst an economic storm. While today's focus was on Bitcoin, in the upcoming blog posts, we'll explore other potential safe haven cryptocurrencies, delve into their unique features, and evaluate their potential in these challenging times. Stay tuned, stay informed, and, most importantly, stay resilient. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.